What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody doing great today. Today was a really great day. As you know, SPY again, we only trade SPY, which we understand how it moves, and based on those moves, we try to like make profit out of those moves. That's what we do every day with SPY. And tomorrow we're gonna do the same on and on and on till we can help people to break through that 9-5 rat race that everybody living in this country. So there are a lot of things that actually happen today in the stock market, and I'm just gonna go straight, on the chart and just show these things. And also, I'm gonna tell you what we should be looking at for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go straight on the chart. So when you take a look at SPY right now, we're actually on a daily time frame. SPY looks really bullish, okay? SPY looks really bullish right now, and I see SPY is actually heading to the 683 level. Clear the 683 out. We could see SPY going to 684 and 685, 7 and 8 and upwards. Okay, so this is where SPY is actually headed right now. When you take a look at, let's go to the lower time frame. I like to look at the 15-minute time frame. If you take a look at the 15-minute time frame right here, you'll notice that SPY is currently sitting above this previous resistance that we have over here, which is 680.50. We're seeing a resistance at 680.50, and SPY actually broke above that resistance, and now SPY consolidated a little bit above that resistance area, which is 681.32. Okay, 681.32. So what I'm actually looking at is this, right? Because of here, SPY is gonna keep going to the upside this week. SPY looks bullish, okay? So this week we should be looking at more bullishness on SPY, okay? So SPY definitely looks like it's gonna be going up this week. So for those of you that are thinking SPY is gonna come back down, you gotta start thinking that and make sure and follow the trend, okay? So tomorrow we could likely be seeing 683, 684, and possibly 685, 7 and 8 to 686 and upwards, because we have to break above this 684 area. And then if SPY can break above 684, we're going to be seeing 685. And if we can break above 685, we're going to keep going up and up and up. But here's what I want you guys to look at, okay? Then that we're just sitting right above this resistance that have now turned to support. We should be looking at a retest or pullback, or however you want to call it, okay? We probably going to have a pullback back to 81.50 area, and then from 81.50, if we can maintain our level, remember, we're already sitting above this resistance that have now turned to support. So as long as we're holding above that level tomorrow, it gives you the opportunity to keep riding this thing to the upside. So tomorrow we can see like 681.50. Break and go to 682, which we had a rejection today, and if we can get 682, we could be going to 683, 684, 685 and upwards. So based on my analysis and what I'm seeing on SPY right now, SPY looks bullish and we're heading upwards, okay? So that is for SPY, and tomorrow pre-market, we're also going to come with a pre-market video. And if this is your first time on this channel, guys, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, because we drop these kind of videos every day to help you understand the market and see how the market moves, okay?